Okay, with simple interest, we learned this formula. I equals P times R times T. And so in both of these, it's just a matter of figuring out what each number represents. Okay, so in A bank is offering a loan with 2.5% simple interest. That is our rate. That's our percent, which is our rate. And then Sarah Elizabeth borrows 5,000 bucks. That would be the amount of the principal to buy Mrs. Mann a present. How sweet. How much interest? Well, that's the unknown here. It says how much. That's going to be our variable. And then it says after 3 years. Well, that is the time. So if we're doing I equals P times R times T, we are looking for the interest. So that's our I. In place of the P, we'll put 5,000. In place of the R, we'll put, well, it's 2.5%, which means we need to bump it twice. Remember, there are hundredths in percent. That's two places after the decimal. So this would be 0.025. And then the time, of course, is 3. Now, it doesn't ask how much total will she owe back to the bank. It just asks how much interest. So basically, all you got to do is bing, bang, boom. Multiply those on your calculator. For B, let's see, the principal would be the $4,000. The 2%, of course, is the rate, and the interest is 200 bucks. And we want to know how many years. That is the T. We don't know. That is our variable. So again, we have I equals P times R times T, and we just plug things in. So for principal, it's 4,000. The rate is 2%, which means we bump it back twice. So the rate would be 0.02. Let's see, the time is what we don't know. It says T. Oh, and I forgot. I kind of skipped right over here. $200 in interest. So 200 goes here. So you have 200 is equal to 4,000 times 200 times T. At this point, we're going to go ahead and do this multiplication. And at that point, you've got this coefficient, whatever this number is, times T, and you draw your river and get T by itself, and that will tell you how many years he invested.